Estrada, Almirante, Magalhães, Correia. Correia de Bávalo.
Admira Luiz Antônio Magalhães Correia, a português naval FC, colonial administrator and government minister. Correia.
So many street names in Macau, named after historical Portuguese people once in Macau. And Almirante Magalhães Correia is another one.
We're going to be doing a driving video. We're going to drive down that way. It's quite long, so it's a little bit of a challenge to walk it. And we're going to end up behind these big buildings over here. We're going to go up all the way up to the top of a hill. Just to give you some context where we are, we're in Taipa. And then this right here says Bridge to Macau. It says Macau. And these are coming from the Macau side. So we're on the Taipa side coming from Macau. And we're kind of in this little furniture mall here. Okay. Let's do it. Let's jump in the car and drive. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So yep, we're going to be going all the way that way and then around those buildings. Just to kind of give you this tack on is another street down here that I think I haven't filmed it in too recently. But way up in here there's like little mountains, so we're gonna go up to the top of the same mountain after we drive up to the top of this drive down this street around those. Okay, let's just get in the car and show you. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a driving video. So this road is a little too long to walk on, so we're gonna drive it instead and show it to you. So I got the camera up on my dashboard, kind of locked into place there. We're gonna navigate. You can kind of see like this is when people come into Macau, they come into this Taipa area. This is one of the first things they see. This is the street will be labeled accordingly. Oh, there's somebody running for their karate class. There's a girl right there. Or no, she's running. There's her family, parent, mom, sister. Looks like. Okay, so yeah, this street it's kind of nice. So you come into the Taipa side from that bridge. There's several bridges. But this particular bridge, you come into this kind of back view and you come up our target street, which is the one that we're on. And if I walk it, it takes a while. I have walked it before, parts of it, and I'll film it, but I want to film the entire thing today. And the entire thing is to the left, there's kind of a cemetery thing. And then this is that giant hill that I kind of mentioned in the preview. So we're going to climb to the top of that. And I think our target street might actually end right here, but as you can see, walking is interesting, of course, but driving is a little bit easier. But it is nice and lush, and you know, for all the density that we have in Macau, there's actually a lot of lushness to it as well. And I think this is the street that I want to do right here. So we're gonna go up it. This is not part of our street, but I'm going to kind of show you what it looks like. But it does kind of give you some context of all the different variations in Macau. And this one has some amazing views. So I might actually, it might be a little bit misleading to show you the views from here, connecting it to this video. Oops, oops, oops. Got it on the dashboard, so it just fell off the dashboard there. But yeah, so Macau basically has kind of series of these hills, because it's they're basically like off the coast with kind of islands, you know. So originally. So this would have been Taipa Island. This would have been Taipa Grande Island, I believe. And then there's like Taipa Pequeño Island, like little Taipa, big Taipa. And I think I am going to actually park up here and tie that into this video. So I might even do a second video where I actually film this street itself. So I'm going to park temporarily right up here. Those are the bathrooms. So now we can overlook the city. So I'm getting to show you exactly where we were just at. So we have these views up here. So I started down there where we see that bridge is at. So that's where we started. So the bridge, I started kind of at the base of it, and then we just drove through here, and then you can see that little gate, that little brown and gold one. We did kind of go along that a little bit. That's all a cemetery. Actually, that goes up on the hill, but there's one that's at the bottom of the hill. But anyways, we went through there, and then we came up here as well. So so that kind of gives you a little bit of context, and you can do they'll go hiking up in these hills. And actually, to be honest, this is much better in the evening. In the evening, all the lights are on. It's amazing. It's so beautiful. So but we're gonna try to give you a little idea. And I'm kind of misleading you a little bit because we're no longer on our target street. But I just kind of want to give you some context of Macau. You can see some casinos over there, Broadway. I think you can see them right there, Galaxy. Way in the distance is Hengqin, China. And then if I wanted to film a whole other street, which I might do, well, we went up this one particular street. I could actually label it both of them, to be honest. Maybe I will. So we actually drove up that street right here, and that second street is has this kind of unusual name, Estrada Padre. So, and I guess I'll just give you some more context. So we basically were let's see, we were on this corner here, so there's Son An, and we drove down this way and kind of up into the mountain here. So we came up into here. So we drove up that one, and we're on that one a little bit, and there's another one. I think actually there's another one we're on. Anyways, and we're gonna come to an ending maybe up here. There's kind of views on all three sides, and then where those trails are at, you can actually overlook the airport. There's a little thing, there's a trail that goes all the way down to the ecological zone. And yeah, this in general is a nicer place to see in the evening. It's nice now too, but and then I guess it's called Taipa Grande, so this is the name of the hill. This is like lookout viewing platform, Miradoro. So anyways, we came up that. Okay, slice of Macau for you anyways. To give you a little context, so we are right where that blue dot is at, and then that bridge is right there. So that's basically what we did. So that kind of main big road right there, that's the one that we took. So that's her name right there. You can see it right there. So all of that big road is the same name. So we basically kind of went around that mountainside, and now we're just kind of at the top up here. We did take a different road as well, but that's kind of the main road. Anyways, slice of Macau.
Magalhães, Correia.